welcome back. We're gonna do a little weekday review. So as you can tell, I'm not at the lab. I'm here at my garage. I got a huge mess, but thanks to Fleximounts, they sent us their GL1 ceiling hoist system for storage, and we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna build it. We're gonna show you how easy it is to use. Before we get started, I got some stuff I need to move so I can have room to build this thing. All right, I didn't want to bore you too much with the installation of it, but we did some pre-building so you're not as bored. Got the rack bed. It's 4x4. I'm gonna show you actually how to put that on. It actually comes, the cables are already on there, and it's pretty simple. And then we got the brackets up there. So I will set it up on a tripod and show you. So this telescopes in and out. Slide that in there. Then it has some set screws to keep it from sliding back out on you. There's one on each side. You have to make sure you're on the joist or it's not going to hold at all. It'll just rip right through the drywall. So make sure you check that. All right, now this next part, where are they? Let me move you guys. So you got that bracket, right? Where is it? Right there. Those two brackets right there. All right, so for this part here, you got two different lengths. You want the longer one right here to slide through that. Yeah, I should have got a little closer. So the longer of the two of these is going to come over to this bracket on each side. And then that way you got one there, and they're the same length. So I'm going to do the other one and then I'll show you how to put the basket together. All right, now that I got both those set up, on each end they got these, and they go straight through this, the platform part. It gets double bolted, lock nutted, sorry. And yeah, it gets double lock nutted on all four corners. So this setup right here is rated for 300 pounds. It has a 4x4, I don't know what you'd call that, platform, 4x4 platform. And it's meant for a 9-foot ceiling. And it goes to just over a foot from the ground, so you don't have to like lift up over, try and get on it. So that's very nice. It is, you gotta be careful when you put stuff on it because it does swing a little bit. It's not bad. I mean, I think it's actually a really cool system. You can put your Christmas decorations, tires, the go-kart, which I'm gonna be trying. If your wife has an obsession with Amazon packages, to teach her a lesson, crank it up, you can lock it off, hide the handle from her. She ain't never gonna get them. There's multi-uses for it. Overall, it seems like a pretty good product to me. But we will put a link in the description. So if you want to check it out yourself, order one, you can do that. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video. We're gonna try to do more weekday reviews. So if you have ideas of stuff you want reviewed, let us know and we'll try to get to it. Seems super solid, but that's gonna clear up a ton of room getting that up there versus anything else, just because first off, it's so long, wide, and you can't really stack anything on it. So thank you again, Fleximount, for sending this to me and helping clear up some space.